of days ago, I shared the laminating sticker hack, so you can laminate stickers and use them in your classroom. The one thing that I did leave out though was why you should be laminating these letter stickers and what you can use them for in the classroom. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. The first way I'm going to share with you to use these laminated alphabet stickers in your classroom is a way that I have shared with you before, and that's with the file folder spelling activity. So I will show another video that you've probably already seen, but this is essentially what it looks like. All of the cards come out of those pockets, and then you have your students use the mat here with all of the laminated stickers on there. They use them and move them and spell the words. It makes spelling interactive. It's great for your students who have fine motor deficits that you in this product. There's over 1,500 different sight words that you can use to spell with your kids. I print them out and put them in order based on grade level. I'm pretty sure there's even like a chart there to help you with what words you should be teaching when and all of that stuff, like a scope and sequence. So that's all in there. And that is the first way that I have used these alphabet stickers in the classroom. This is the next way that you can use these letter stickers in the classroom. These are like a medium-sized sticker, so I just laminated them. You can see I didn't even cut around all of the letters. That is a question that I did get. I don't cut around. I just do whatever I cut. That's what I cut. And then I put some magnetic tape on the back, and it sticks to the board. This is the magnetic tape I use. You can get it at craft stores. You can get it on Amazon, Target, Walmart. I mean, literally everywhere sells this. This is just what I had on hand, but you can use any magnetic tape that you want. And what you're going to do is you're just going to either put flashcards up here or give students flashcards and have the words up here, or just have them in a bin like this. And I would put only the letters that you are working on in here. But then students can come up here, it gets them up and moving, and they can just move the letters around to spell the sight words. The cool thing about these stickers is that you can use them on any magnetic surface then, and they're large enough for your students with vision deficits to be able to see them at a distance or up close, and you don't have to worry about that. So you can use them on a whiteboard, on the side of a filing cabinet, or on a cookie tray. Before we get into the last way you can use these letters in the classroom based off of how I've used them in the classroom, I want to give you a little backstory on this last way that I've used them. I had a student when I taught self-contained who was in a wheelchair, had vision deficits, and had fine motor deficits. Love this student to death. We would do how to spell the month, how to spell the days of the week every morning, and it was something that this student needed just an independent center to be able to do while the rest of the students were working independently at the back table. I could have this student trace the days and do it independently, but it didn't show me that this student knew how to spell the days of the month, the days of the week, and the months of the year. There we go. So at first, I printed off letters from the computer, like really large, cut them out, laminated them, put Velcro on the back or magnets on the back, and it was just such a hassle. And then I made the file folder with the letters, and I was like, oh my gosh. I found larger letters at a craft store, and I put magnets on the back of them and had this student just manipulate these letters every morning. I would mix them up, or I'd have the student mix them up before they went home that night. And the next day they would come in and put all of the letters in order using this up here as the model. So they could do this center independently. So they could spell the month that they were in. It's a super simple independent center that all of your students could use. We had students that would filter in and out throughout this center throughout the day. If we were standing in line, some of them would manipulate the letters around to spell different words. It actually worked fantastic, and my kids loved it. Now I want to know, how are you going to use laminated stickers with magnets on the back in your classroom?